Hi guys, and today I have 3 tips or 3 areas to keep your railway clean. These are only what I use. As some of you may know, I have trouble understanding stuff, and I've got brain damage and stuff, so this is just how it helps me. First we'll start with cleaning your wagons and buildings and coaches even. So what you need is a good brush, a makeup brush here, or a couple of paint brushes, and then you need the subject in hand, which is this wagon. You just gently push it all around like that, and the underside if you want to. Give it a good clean, and it doesn't look too bad. Same with locos as well. This is a tender from an A4. Same again, just give it a quick clean, like that. And that's basically done. And the same goes for buildings. For example, I will use this signal box, Hornby signal box here. Just the same. Make sure you get all the dust off. All the way down here. You don't have to inside, but I just do. Yeah, this one's missing a chimney, and that's how you do cleaning your buildings and rolling stock. So next up is cleaning the wheels of a loco or any motorised coaches you've got. And to do this, first one is this HO00 track cleaner. It fits on a track like that. You get a loco, which is this one we're using an 040, Smoky Joe in a different disguise. Put it on, and you slowly add the power in both directions. So next up is a bigger loco. So like I said, next up is a bigger loco, a tender loco, the loco that draws its power from the tender as well as the loco. And we have this, I think it's a D16. So you just put it on the track like that. Off it goes. Obviously with the wheels not going around for the tender and the front bogie wheel, we'll get onto that in a minute. So yeah, both ways, just a quick clean. Next up is how to clean the old tender loco wheels and rolling stock. First, I use some lighter fluid. Open it. Pour a bit in. Get some cotton wool buds, and then dip it in. Give it a clean. Then you get here, and you slowly give it a clean. You can do this same for your coaches and your wagons. And with the big driving wheels here, you just slowly force it around very gently. Give it a back clean too. Nothing much come off that. It's a pretty clean loco. And now onto the rolling stock. So the same again. You put some lighter fluid in, what we just used for the tender, into a glass. Give it a quick stir, a wipe, and this one we're doing the metal wheels on a guards van, and I'm expecting a lot more dirt to come off this one. Yeah, water. Give it a good clean. Quite a lot there. And a clean side, then Just be careful with the plastic when you do this. Give it a couple of minutes to dry, do all the wheels, and then you're good. There is another way how to clean your wheels. It's a track rubber, and this is a Pico one. You just hold the wheel still and give it a little clean with the corner bit, like that. You do it to all your wheels. That also works. And it also cleans the track too. Where are we? Yeah, so like that. Keep doing it all the way through, and then get a hoover and dust it off. So next up, we're going to clean the track. I use a makeup sponge and some lighter liquid, and you just pour it on like so, very gentle. This one's fairly empty, so it's all wet. And then like that, 2 thumbs either side, all the way down, all the way down again. Careful at the points. Pretty dirty. Just this one here as well. Pretty dirty. Then you get, well, I get my hoover. Hook up and you go. So next up is the second final part of how to clean the tracks, or how I clean my tracks. And yeah, there's a lot more expensive ones. DAP will do a thing with water and a hoover and all the rest. This is a cheap Hornby track cleaner. Pads, these pads are a little bit worn. About £3 for a pack of 10 pads, and this cost me a £5 if I'm a rail fare. Any loco will do. Just put it on here, like so. A little bit fiddly, put it on, give it a bit of juice. Yeah, so that's how I clean my railway. Obviously there's other ways people do it, and this is just my way. Like I said, I have brain damage and motor skills in my hands, and I struggle to understand. These what I found useful. Hopefully someone out there will. Until next time guys, thanks for watching and goodbye.